Hi everyone, Lena from the Mila Design is here, and today I'm gonna show you how to crochet super easy scarf for beginners. To make this scarf you will need 9mm crochet hook and super bulky yarn, approximately 200 grams, but you can also use any other yarn or hook size. To start, make foundation chains 80 centimeters long. Row 1. Skip first 2 chains and start from the chain number 3. In each chain till the end of the row, make half double crochet stitch. One chain, turn your work and make half double crochet in each loop which you can see in front of your work till the end of the row. Repeat row 2 till you get 18 centimeters. Then fold your scarf like it's shown and using slip stitches connect these two parts of your scarf. Then you can finish your work and wave the ends. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!